be your stunning mathematics teacher, Nila ma'am.
And your favorite biology teacher, Alka ma'am from Go School.
We are the fastest growing ethic in GCC.
And our aim is to provide quality education for all.
Yes, why are we here, ma'am?
They can see that even in the thumbnail. Yeah, here you can see that. Why are we here? We have good news for you. What is that good news, ma'am?
The good news is none other than your date sheets are released.
Yes, the wait is over and finally the exam dates are out.
And we have been waiting for this moment since the beginning of our academic year. We have been preparing, hardworking, and yes, today here we are with the dates, with the schedules, and we are going to disclose everything to you this day.
Yeah, and some of them are wondering, ma'am, we are going to write the board exam. How is it that good news? Yeah, exactly.
It be a good news.
Yes,
It is good news because of a lot of things. What
lot?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll tell you the first thing. Okay, I'll tell you like the 10th and 12th exam schedule is released now. So I'll tell the general thing. The first thing which is applicable to both 10th and 12th. Okay. What is the first thing? Compared to last year, CBSE released your date sheet 23 days prior.
Which is amazing news.
Yes.
Yes. And the second good news is
Yes, it's mainly for the 12th grade, or you're going to tell about the.
we'll talk about the general thing.
Yes, okay.
Yes. And the second good news is that this time you're getting 86 days to go for your boards. Yes.
That's good, right?
Yes. Almost 3 months now.
Yeah, almost 3 months you have for the revision. You have already completed the topics, and now you're getting 3 months for revision.
3 months. It's a long time.
Yes.
And one more.
Yes.
You have to disclose it.
Oh, I'm going to disclose it. The good news is for the 12th grade students. What is that? Many of you are attending the JEE exam, right? Oh, I hope you all have submitted your applications because the last date, you guys know that, right? Okay, anyways, when is your exam?
Their JEE exam is starting around Jan 22nd till Jan 30th, ma'am.
Yes, and is there any clash between the board exam and the JEE exam?
No, that is the good news. This time CBSE board has taken care of your entrance examination dates and your board examination dates, and there is no clashes in between.
So you are getting enough time for the board exam and preparation of JEE. Okay.
Wonderful.
Yes, without wasting time, we are all waiting for the.
Yes, let's see the schedules. Let's see.
Okay. So when is the first exam? It's on 15th February, right?
Yep.
Yes.
15th February, our exams will be beginning, and for both 10th and the 12th.
Yes.
And the next important thing here is that
your exam time will be 10:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So whatever time zone you are in, you have to calculate the time. Okay, it's 10:30 Indian Standard Time.
Plus, we have already said it. You have 86 days to go, and 23 days. It's already priorly announced. What wonderful news to have.
Yes.
Without wasting much time, I think we can go to the schedules.
Yes. In grade 10, we are mainly focusing on maths and science. Then, so how many chapters are there in the science?
We have 5 plus 4 plus 4 chapters now.
Yes.
We have 40.
Yes, no, 30.
It's 13 now?
No.
Okay, sorry, I'm a biology
Oh,
teacher.
no, she's a biology teacher. How many chapters you have in biology? 5.
We have 5 chapters in biology.
Okay.
And chemistry, we have 4 chapters.
Yes, okay.
And then
physics
we
also
have 4 chapters.
Okay,
So it's definitely 5
Yes.
4 plus 4 is
Yeah, 30.
What is it, ma'am?
13, right?
13? Okay. Actually, I'm a biology teacher.
Oh, okay. So I thought it's like 14 chapters because you have 14 chapters in maths. Ma'am, see, we have 14 chapters in maths.
You have a long way to go.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, and the good news, one more good news is waiting for you. You have more time for maths, ma'am.
I know. Making impartiality, right?
Yes, yes. Okay. So moving to the next slide, we have 15 February, your favorite exam, English exam.
And then we'll be happening at 10:30 a.m. IST.
Yes.
And after your English exams, you have several other
Examinations, but we are simply focusing on the main exam. That is the science exam. So how many days are there between English and science? 5 days. Is
5
this 5
days.
days enough?
That is enough and more for impression. Okay. You're already getting 86 days countdown and
Yes.
then you're getting 5 days to brush up. Enough and more. Yes.
Yes. Okay. And then on 25th February, you have social science.
Yes.
And it's like again 5 days. And I know that you guys have four. Yeah, you guys have four textbooks like politics, economics, history, and geography. And all the best.
All the best.
Yes, all the best. And then Hindi. Yes. And then
28th.
yes, 28th February. And then they have mathematics exam on 10th March. So when was the last exam? That is like the main thing that we have mentioned. It was Hindi. Okay. Before that, like the main exam that we were talking about was on 25th. And then the next maths exam was on 10th. So you are getting more than 10 days.
So lucky. So lucky.
Yeah.
I have to say.
Yes. So you are getting maybe 1 day for a chapter. More than enough. Scored good marks. Okay.
Yes. So that's pretty much. Do we have much more to talk here?
Yes,
Yeah.
we have other subjects, but the main thing is covered, I guess. Okay.
I hope now you got a small idea about your schedules and you're happy about it.
Yes, and now let's go to the 12th grade. All the 12th grade kids are like, ma'am, wait, we are waiting, ma'am. Just go ahead and talk about 12th grade.
Yes, let's talk about it.
Yes, how many chapters are there in biology, ma'am?
We have 13 chapters.
See, that is nothing like in maths and biology.
Oh,
We
it's
have 13 chapters, equal,
Yes,
equal.
yes,
Finally, biology and maths is equal, equal. Yeah,
Good job.
good job. And in chemistry, we have 10 chapters. There is the partiality, ma'am. Only 10 chapters.
But they have pretty much to study.
Yeah, the organic chemistry and all that stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a lot to study.
okay, then physics, we have 14 chapters.
Yes. So let's see the
Okay.
schedules.
Yes. When is the first exam? Even though it is starting by 15th February, your first exam is actually starting by 15th. But your exam, like many of you are writing the exam on 21st Feb, and the first exam is like the 14th chapter 1. 14th chapter 1, which is physics. Yes.
Yes.
And then you
And
have
then on 27th February, you have your chemistry exam again. And how many chapters there?
6 days they have, and in chemistry they have 10 chapters.
10 chapters.
Good enough. Good enough. Yeah,
Fair enough.
yes.
After chemistry, that's it.
Okay, 8th March. Yeah, around 10 days again, you are getting for maths. See?
So nice, so nice.
So nice. For maths, again, you are getting around 10 days.
Yes.
Okay. So you have put the 13 chapters. Yeah. In 12th, I won't say, but like it's a revision. If it's a revision, yes.
Yeah,
No,
they're
then
brushing up.
yes, brushing up because we are getting 86 days. Okay. And then
Okay, then
English on
Yes.
11th March. Okay. And then 15th March, Hindi.
wages. Just on 25th March, you have your biology exam. Are you
Yes.
excited?
Yes, they are, ma'am.
Like, I don't want to count the days between because it's plenty of days.
Yes.
Plenty of days.
Now it's balanced, right?
Yeah, totally.
The maths and biology thing is balanced.
Okay,
Okay.
we have to say it's fair enough.
Yes. Okay. So you have enough time for the biology exam, and all the PCMB kids are like, "Ma, let it be biology or maths. We are gonna write both." Okay. But for brush up, this is enough, right?
Enough. Oh, we have to start working from today onwards, I think.
Yes. And one more thing, every one of you will be like whenever your parents is asking, they'll be like, let the timetable come, let the date sheet be out. Then I will start preparing.
That's a common excuse.
Yes,
right?
common excuse. You were used to see that.
Okay.
So
We have to.
yes, all the excuses are over. Now you have to start preparing, right?
Yeah.
And then all the languages,
Yeah.
and then psychology. Some of you are like psychology kids, I know.
So with that, I think you have got a good idea about your schedulings, your exam timings, and we just have to say one more thing.
All the best. All the best for your exam. Just rock it, guys. The only thing is just be confident, right, ma'am?
Yes, be confident, prepare well. If your preparation is well, the end product is going to be amazing.
Yes.
Use this 86 days. That's what I have to say.
Yeah, 86 days. Yes, pressing 86 days you have. It's not about working like 6 hours, 8
Yeah.
hours, 12 hours. It's about using your time wisely and productively.
Yes. So yes, with that I think we can wind up.
Yes.
Okay, all the very best from Ghost Code and our
Yes. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
See you in another video.